Welcome to today's Wednesday Wisdom from Way of the Renaissance Man, starring Jim Woods. The wise sound of Dolby. This insight was inspired by inventor Ray Dolby. I think a lot of developments start with the desire of the developer to get what he really wants so that he can use it. It's not just the technical fascination or the business opportunity. Dolby certainly understood that to get things done, you must first love doing it. If you're starting a business, or if you're contemplating a career change, then you need to consider that the best results will come when you go after what you really want. You shouldn't just go into something because of a technical aptitude or because it might make you some money. Real happiness comes from making money doing what you love. Jim Woods, November 6th, 2019. For more great resources and inspiration, visit wayoftherenaissanceman.com.